Crazy's tribe and Evan says stack. You're the sergeant of arms, but you better watch your back. When me and the boys go on the attack, put you down next time you say based on Slack.
Oh wait, Lammers, you're just so damn tall. How's the weather up there this lovely fall? We all know you can't even ball. That's why Pracy's score is gonna be so small.
Pracy's gonna come in last. Pracy's gonna come in last.
Pracy's is the very worst tribe. You better be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Pracy's is the very worst tribe. They've got no points and all the bad vibes.
You've been slacking off, calling your moms. We've been working hard, but not on our arms. Coming after you, you better sound the alarms, because Pracy's tribe, we're gonna drop all the bombs.
Pracy's gonna come in last. Pracy's gonna come in last.
So let it be written, so let it be done. Pracy's tribe lost before they even begun. When we see you, you better get up and run. We're coming after you into the setting sun.
Pracy's tribe, you're all stuck in the 80s. Your poster is weird, that's why you get no ladies. You're acting all tough, but you're just a bunch of babies. You're going out of business way faster than Macy's. Shout out A-Fresh and Andrew Forbes, Vikings suck.
Pracy's gonna come in last. Pracy's gonna come in last. Pracy's gonna come in last. Pracy's gonna come in last.